Hello friends, my name is Shubham Katole and today we are going to see how to solve aptitude problem on topic trains. So here are the some important problems. While we converting the kilometer per hour into meter per second conversation, you have to multiply with 5 by 8. Given that the 8 kilometer per hour, so that's why we convert the a into 5 by 18 to convert it into meter per second, and same as the reverse of meter per second to into kilometer per hour. As well as there are the some important formulas to finding the speed, distance and the time. So you have to just simply apply the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. So read this formula carefully and understand it. So let's begin with the first problem. The first problem is a train is running at a speed of 60 km per hour, crosses a pole in a 9 seconds. What is the length of the speed? So given data is speed is equal to 60 km per hour and the pole crosses a pole in a 9 seconds. So 9 seconds is nothing but the time and the unit is second. So and when we look at the speed, the it given as 60 km per hour. So our first task to convert it into kilometer per hour into meter per second. So speed is equal to 60 km per hour equals to 60 km multiplied by 5 by 18. So its unit is 50 by 3 meter per second. In this problem you have to calculate the length of the train. So simply apply the formula speed is equal to distance upon time, and distance is nothing but the length of the train. So when we try to calculate the length of the train, multiply speed into time. Therefore speed is equal to 50 by 3 multiplied by 9 as a time. So length of the train is 150 meter. Simply it's very easy problem. Next problem, a train of the bridge moving at moving a train 130 meter long and traveling at 45 km per hour crosses in a 30 seconds. So the given data is equal to speed is equal to 45 km. So our first task to convert that kilometer per hour into meter per second. So speed is equal to 45 multiplied by 5 by 18 equals to 25 by 2 meter per second. The given that it takes the time to cross is equals to 30 seconds. The length of the bridge we don't know, so that's why we consider the length of the bridge, and it is given in the diagram as x, and the length of the train equals to 130 meter. So it takes a time 30 seconds to cross the overall path. So we have to apply the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Keep in mind, while solving any type of train problem, always apply the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to 130 plus x upon time is nothing but the 30 seconds, and speed is equal to 25 by 2. So make the cross multiplication and we get a value x equals to 240. So length of the bridge equals to 240 meter. Next problem, a train passes a station platform in 30 seconds and a man standing on the platform in a 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 km per hour, what is the length of the platform? So given data is equals to speed of the train equals to 54 km per hour. So convert it into first at meter per second, multiply by it 5 by 18 and we get speed equals to 50 meter per second. Given that the length of the train given that it takes the time 20 seconds to cross the man standing on the platform, and we know, and that's why we calculate the length of the train equals to 50 multiplied by 20 equals to 300 meter. To calculate the length of the platform, we have to consider the length of the platform equals to x meter and the length of the train equals to 300 meter. It takes the overall time 36 seconds to cross the man and the length of the platform. So that's why x plus 300 divide it's nothing but the overall distance, and the time equals to 36 seconds equals to speed equals to 50. Make the cross multiplication, you get the value of 240 meter, and it's nothing but the length of the platform. Next problem, a 270 meter long train running at the speed of 120 km per hour another train running in the opposite direction at the speed of 80 km per hour in a 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? Keep in mind the given data is a length of the one train is 1270 meter and the length and the speed of the train equals to 120 km per second. Process another train running in opposite direction. So while solving this type of problem, you have to first calculate the relative speed because the two trains are traveling in opposite direction. So make the addition of two train speed to calculate the relative speed. So 120 plus 80 equals to 200 km per hour and convert 200 km per hour into meter per second. So multiply by 200 into 5 by 18 equals to 500 by 9 meter per second. Given the length of the first train is 270 meter and we have to calculate the length of another train. So consider the length of the another train is x. So apply the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. So that's why x plus 270 is nothing but the overall distance and time equals to 9 seconds equals to speed equals to 50 by 9. So when we make the cross multiplication you get the value x equals to 230. So let's move to the next problem. A train of 800 meters long is running at a speed of 78 km per hour. If it crosses a tunnel in a 1 minute, then the length of the tunnel is. Given that the speed equals to 78 km, so firstly convert the 78 km per hour into meter per second. So that's why we multiply by 5 by 18 and equals to 65 by 3 meter per second. The time is equals to 1 minute. So convert 1 minute into seconds equals to 60 seconds. We have to calculate the length of the tunnel. So that's why we consider the length of the tunnel is x and the given data the length of the train is 80 meters. So overall distance equals to 80 plus x and it takes 1 minute equals to 60 seconds to cross the overall distance. So that's why I would apply the formula speed equals to distance upon time. So distance equals to 80 plus x and time equals to 60 seconds equals to speed equals to 65 by 3. When you make the cross multiplication you get the value x equals to 500. If you want to know more about another type of videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you guys for thank you this type of videos.